Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Yes, you are definitely seeing correct. That is asparagus. This is one of my favorite recipes. So, you know, with asparagus, definitely cut off the tip. So you're just going to take it like this. You don't want to cut off too much. Cut the tips off. And you know my knives are always so dull. Oh my God, can somebody get me some knives? Alright, so I'm just gonna cut these off just like that. See, tip, cut them off. And I'm gonna do that for the rest of them. They've already been washed. And then I'm gonna show you what to do, how we're gonna roast these. Please have your oven being preheated at 400 degrees. And we're gonna roast these for about 12 to 18 minutes, alright? Perfect and healthy for you. It's time to get healthy. Simple, easy, healthy recipes. So this is what I am doing for you guys today. Show you how to roast asparagus, all right? And make it absolutely delicious. Spread this out. 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Just sprinkle it on top, just like that. 2 teaspoons, that's about right. Be adding some salt. Nothing crazy, guys. You don't really have to go crazy, all right? Salt. I will also be adding some vegetable seasoning. So this is salad and vegetable seasoning, which is going to give it a really nice taste. I will add some vegan Parmesan cheese. I will show you how to make this. I have a video showing you how to make it. I will link it right above this. Right now as I'm sprinkling this, just like that. All right. Everything for this deliciousness will be in the description box. If you think that you didn't like asparagus, trust me, with this recipe, you're gonna love it. So this is all I'm doing. Just get everything in there. Use your hands. Don't be afraid. Get everything all coated and get that flavor on there just like this. Get it everywhere. Massage it in. Massage it in. All right, so that looks absolutely delicious. We will be putting this in the oven 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. So let me put this in the oven and I'll be back in 12 minutes, but it will be like no time to you. Yes, my healthy people, this is our delicious roasted Parmesan asparagus. So yummy, so delicious. It's all about healthy this summer. Let's get healthy together. We can do this. Simple and easy to make. You're going to love it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, and I think you should because you love asparagus, go ahead and do what? Give this video a big thumbs up. And what? Say it with me. You know it. Go on. Stay healthy.